With the city now in phase 4 of reopening, activities like this are now possible here at Robert Wood Terrace on East 169th Street and 3rd Avenue.
I'm cutting all the weeds off so it could be fresh and clean.
That's 14-year-old Ariel Hernandez, a member of the NYPD Explorers Club, pleased to be out and about with fellow cadets and Bring the Peace, a nonprofit that also provides activities for youth.
It makes me feel good about myself. It makes me feel like I'm helping out the community.
And Yubriel Castillo is doing the same after getting instructions from founder of Bring the Peace and resident here at Robert Wood Terrace, Lynda Kemp.
She told us to at least take out any plants or any weeds 2 feet apart.
Generally, we have about 50. Right now, today, we have 6 who are able to come.
And that's due to the COVID-19 pandemic that forced all New Yorkers indoors. 15-year police officer Martin Phillips shared that in a normal year, they easily logged in over 1,000 hours of community service compared to this year, where it's well below that figure. So he's pleased to see the program resume and continue with its overall mission, and that is to strengthen police and community relations.
It humanizes us too, you know, like it's not just that we're dealing with the negative rhetoric. We deal with them every day. They're part of the community, and, you know, they're like our kids.
I'm happy that the NYPD officers were able to come and continue our community relationships.
Transforming the space from a playground into a garden 7 years ago, Kemp credits the Explorers Club for not only providing volunteers, but also opening the door to future careers for people like 17-year-old Janna Suero.
The Explorers program really gave me like the experience, and like we do a lot of events like the community service, and I just like the experience because it's fun and I want to leave the house.
Also leaving the house to get involved, John Wilson III, who lives in the complex.
I came down to help Miss Lynda, because Thursday is the day we do food distribution. And so whatever she was doing, I was down. I was coming to help.
So once all the weeds are up, next, these will be planted, and before you know it, they'll be in bloom here at the Robert Wood Terrace. For BronxNet, this is Arlene McCoco.